Snap him down. Snap him down. Get something.
Put that in the flat and then it'll be like an antique. Oh, God, that was a PS30. We already got PS48.
Snap and shoot.
I was thinking.
You got this, Matt. You got this.
Good. You're good. You're good. There you go. Take it back. Take it back. Take it back.
There you go.
Stay heavy. Stay heavy. Posture up. Look to start passing. Look to pass.
Elbows.
Don't lean too far back. Posture up good. Wide your base. Don't posture up too far back. He's going to sit up sweet. You're good. Nothing.
You can pass that guard. You can pass it. You can pass it. There you go. Oh, he baited him on that.
Get your guard.
Move your hips. Move your hips.
Get that right knee in. Get that underhook. Get that underhook and bridge. Bridge. Yeah. Get your side. Shoot that knee in. Do the same thing. Keep on doing it. Watch that arm too.
Don't let that arm out. Watch your arm.
Lock your arms together.
It's not gonna happen. Watch out! Watch that arm. There you go. Put the arm.
Lock your hands. Lock your hands.
Lock your hands. Lock your hands together. Lock your hands together. Oh my gosh.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
Get out. Bowl over. There you go. There you go.
Pass. Pass. Pass.
Pass.
Pass. Pass. Pass.
There you go. Pull that knee. Drop it to the ground. Drop it. Drop it. There you go.
You gotta
Shake it out. Shake it out. There you go. There you go. Hook it. Get your hooks.
Stay.
Get your hooks in.
All right, you got it.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Go to work.
He's gonna try to bridge you over to the right. Go side.
Don't. There you go. There you go. Spin. 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 Get your guard. Get your guard.
Get your guard back. Get your guard back. Right up and on.
What's that 3 points for?
What was the 3 points for? No, it wasn't sweep.
It was an escape from mount. There's no points for that.
Sweep. Get back in. Get back in.
Triangle. Triangle. How about that? How about the ghost escape? Maybe not.
Get the underhook when you're on your other side.